But then I do want to give you guys a little bit of time to get working on homework, just so that you don't have to take much home for a break. All right, so we talked about and inequalities. So that's when the two things, like I have to be greater than 13 years old but less than 21 to be in high school. I need to be in that range of values. Now, or inequalities say that you can be one or the other. You can't be both things. Off your phone, please. So to get the discount, customers must be 65 or older. So like if you've ever gone to like I feel like the movie theater is a big place for a discount. If you ever look, so senior citizens get the discount, but then also really little kids a lot of times get in free places. So either you're really old or really young to get in free. But you can't be both things. I can't be over 65 and under 6. So we're going to write this as a compound inequality. So again, with our inequalities, we always write smallest and then largest. So 6 and 65. Now under 6, so can they be 6? Did I say under 6? No. So they need to be under 6. So at 6, I'm going to have an open circle, and then I can be under that. So they can be 5, 4, 3, so obviously anything under that. Now you might argue, well, you have to stop at the negatives. We don't have to really worry about it. We don't have to be that like precise with this, but technically we would need to. And then 65 or older. Is 65 colored in? Yep. A lot of times, like maybe you've heard your grandparents or something joke, one thing good that happens when I turn a certain age is now I get a discount in certain places. So the day they turn 65 or whatever age the place requires, they get the discount. Or older, or bigger. So the arrows go out rather than in because you can either be one or the other. You can't be both of those things. Now, the word or, the English language is a weird thing. The or sounds like the oars on a boat. So if you think about this, this kind of looks like the oars on a boat, like when you're rowing and the oars are out. So like if you're trying to remember what or looks like, you can think about them looking out as the oars on a boat. So we're going to write this now as a compound inequality. It doesn't look like the and inequality. We write it as like one statement. What we do is we just say customers must be 65 or older, or customers need to be under 6. All we do is we actually write the word or in there. So it's not fancy at all. We just get the right or in there. All right, so in order to solve these, they're even easier. Typically we start easy and then make it a little bit harder. These are even easier. So what we're going to do is for solving or inequalities, you're just going to solve them each individually and then write or between them. If I could write, right? So you're going to solve each, and then you're going to write or between them. So there's kind of two separate problems here. There's not like some sort of magic trick or something we need to do special. So I solved this completely independently from that one. So this one, I'm going to subtract 2. That does not impact that one over there. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So A ends up being less than 3. Then I'm going to write or, and I'm going to solve the other one. the two don't impact each other at all. You solve them each separately. Then again, we need to put these on the same number line. So we have our 3 and our 4 here. Smallest to largest. We're going to have the open circle at 3. We're going to have a closed circle at 4. And then this or inequality is automatically going to, again, look like the oars on the boat. They're on the outside. So it's less than 3, or it's going to be greater than 4. So this one, really, a lot of numbers work. The only numbers that don't work are numbers in between 3 and 4. So a very small window of numbers that don't actually work. Okay? So we are going to do a Kahoot. We have enough time here. If you guys want scratch paper or something, those of you guys who just got back in the room, I'll flip back to the other screen. So we'll do a Kahoot with inequalities. And then there's some like math riddles in there, I think, as well. So I apologize if you don't like math riddles, but I'll let you guys copy these. Otherwise, you can always copy notes from someone close by. How we doing? Oh, geez. Yeah. Yeah, you know it's like working or whatever. Hope you get this. Yeah, you got that part. And then the top part was just showing this or inequality because one or the other has to happen.